Greetings and welcome back to my channel! I'm crazy. Hi, it's Erin. And today I have my June giveaway. Woo! So as you guys know, I've mentioned before that I want to do giveaways for y'all every single month. And I have one for you. So I guess I'll let you know about it. But while you're watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Join the Darling Army. It's a fantastic place. Beer of the day is wine. As per usual, it's Roots Chardonnay, which is a $5 bottle of wine from Target, and it's phenomenal. If you guys are interested to see what's on the rest of my face, those videos will be up in July, so definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the giveaway. I've got a cute makeup bag for it, of course. Always like to include something adorable. This is obviously brand new. This is the ColourPop X My Little Ponies makeup bag, and I think it's super adorable. It does have a little pony on the edge there, as well as the logo here. So I just thought this was really cute, and honestly I have tons of makeup bags, so I think it's always nice to have a makeup bag with a giveaway. I think that's nice. So anyway, so that's what the packaging looked like. So if you're interested to see what's in the giveaway and everything else, hurry up and listen to these rules. First of all, if you're under 18, please get permission from a parent or guardian to be able to give out your information, including your address, for me to send this to. Secondly, YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. It is entirely purchased by myself and ran by myself. Thirdly, you must be subscribed to my channel. If you have a private channel that doesn't show up on a subscribe list, I cannot confirm that you are subscribed. So please make sure that I can tell that you are subscribed to my channel. Also, this giveaway is ending July 1st, and the giveaway winner will receive notification no later than July 2nd, 12 midnight. Got it? Got it. What else? So yes, you must be subscribed to my channel. You also have to leave me a comment down below, including a Twitter or an Instagram handle. I want to give it to a real person. So please make sure that if you don't have a social media account, you can make one. They're free. But that's the only way that you can be entered. Be subscribed and have an active social media account that I can contact you through. Twitter or Instagram is totally fine. I'm giving extra information on this because last time I had a lot of people try to say you could YouTube message me, you can email me, etc., etc. No, not this time, guys. To be entered, you must have an active and public social media account. I hope that makes sense. Like, I don't want to give my stuff away to like a stranger who I know nothing about. Like, I want people who are really part of the Darling Army to win. So yeah, so that's that. Additionally, if you subscribe and then unsubscribe before the end of the giveaway, you are no longer eligible. So I will take your name off the list. That actually happened in the last giveaway. Just a heads up. Like, you need to be in it to win it, okay? In it to win it. This giveaway is open internationally, and I think without further ado, I will show you what's in it. Now, I know my first giveaway had tons of products because it was my first ever giveaway for this channel. This one is nice and small. It's a cute giveaway, but I think it has it's a brand that is really hot right now and a lot of people are very interested in. So let me go ahead and stop yapping and show you what's in here. So it's got two products along with the makeup bag. So this is the Salvation Velvet Lip Lacquer from Revolution Beauty, and I believe the shade is the One for All. And it goes on as a gloss and dries down as a matte finish. So that is $5 on the Makeup Revolution website, and that is included in the giveaway. The second product I have is called the Unicorns Unite Revolution Makeup Revolution London palette. Looks like this. I have not opened it, so those are the shades. I think the color scheme is really pretty. Okay. So the Revolution Beauty Unicorns Unite palette is retailing for $10 on their website. And the description says, calling all unicorns, unite and change the world with your own legendary looks. Made with the help of real unicorns in our enchanted magical makeup forest, contains 18 shades, 12 shimmer, and 6 mattes in a sleek professional palette with a full-size mirror. Be legendary. Be revolutionary. This one is also vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, and it does look like it has a lot of great reviews as well. I personally love that color scheme, so I think it's a winner. Here it is. Oh, this makeup bag is $18. Okay, so that's the most expensive part of this giveaway. So this ColourPop X My Little Pony makeup bag is $18. I don't know if I showed you the inside, but the inside has this My Little Pony print, and everything in the giveaway, these two other items, do fit right in there. Yeah, so if you're interested in winning this, let me go over the rules one more time. If you're under 18, you must have permission from a parent or guardian to be able to give me your information. Secondly, you must have an active and public Instagram or Twitter account that you can link for me down below. In order to get an entry, you must leave me a comment with that Instagram or Twitter handle. 3, you must be still subscribed, and I must be able to see you on my subscribe list on July 1st when I will choose the winner at random. 4, is that 4? This is international, so everybody who I love, mwah, all my beautiful darlings out there, you can definitely enter. What else? Just like last time, you can get additional entries by either reposting the picture of this giveaway on my Instagram or retweeting the pinned tweet on my Twitter about this giveaway. So feel free to do that, and that will give you 1 or 2 extra entries depending on if you do both. Even if you don't want to repost my stuff, please go ahead and follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It's all at I'm a Pluralist. And if you'd like to support me in my creative journey and help fund additional giveaways in the future, you can become a patron on Patreon. The links are down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!